Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your microphone settings in the Opera browser. Whether you're using it for meetings, voice recording, or chatting online, choosing the right microphone is essential for clear audio. Follow along step by step to make the change quickly and easily. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Click the Opera logo in the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now, look at the left-hand panel and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. Under the Permissions section, click on Microphone. You'll now see a drop-down menu labeled Default Microphone. Click on it and select the microphone you want Opera to use. Make sure the toggle switch next to Ask Before Accessing is turned on, unless you want websites to access the microphone automatically. That's it. Your new microphone is now set as default in Opera. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you change your microphone in Opera easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback.